can I ask you two questions, if that okay with you?
It's okay with me.
First question is that in regards to my green card, I have a green card for last 11 years.
Right.
I got it with my ex-wife,
Right.
who's a U.S. citizen.
Right.
I had a criminal charge back in 2009. It was for assault and battery in California, and I was locked up for 5 months and a couple of days with the following 3 years probation, which ended in 2012.
Mm-hmm.
And I was told at that time from my immigration attorney to wait 5+ years for GMC in order for you to apply for citizenship, which I was doing it. However, 2017, which was last year, I was arrested for assault case, which was a false arrest. Later on, case got dismissed, and even the arrest got cleared from my record. Now, the question is, do I still go ahead and apply for citizenship, or now my time starts again for GMC?
Your time starts all over again.
I see.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Even though my arrest got clear, it doesn't matter?
Yeah, because what the law says is for 5 years good moral character, they can't look past 5 years good moral character unless something in these 5 years has a nexus to something you did more than 5 years ago. So more than 5 years ago, you had an assault charge, you were arrested, you pled guilty. Was it a theft charge or an assault charge?
Assault charge.
Assault charge, right. You spent 5.5 months in jail. That's a pretty serious offense. Not an aggravated felony, but it's certainly a crime of moral turpitude. And then you have another arrest within that 5 years. There's a nexus to you getting arrested. They're going to deny your citizenship.
And my green card is going to be expired next year. So what is my option?
Well, you renew your green card, but I think the option before you renew your green card is that you have a consultation with me because we want to make sure you're not deportable. Now, having one crime of moral turpitude, if you have one crime of moral turpitude more than 5 years after your entry into the United States, that does not make you a deportable alien. If it happened within the first 5 years of your entry into the United States, it does make you a deportable alien. Now, that's different than traveling home and coming back. You're asking for an admission. They're going to stop you and put you in removal because you're asking for admission on somebody who has a crime of moral turpitude. So what we want to do is this. Make sure that you have more than 5 years here in the United States before your arrest and conviction. Make sure, in fact, this is a crime of moral turpitude. And if it is, renew your green card. You're safe. Nobody's going to touch you. Certainly if you travel home and come back, you have a problem. And then we got to wait again. Now, you're married to a citizen or a resident?
My wife is a resident, sir.
Is it what?
My wife is a green card holder, but I have my previous marriage.
Was it to a citizen? Okay, because I was going to say if you were married to a citizen, then you only need 3 years good moral character. But since you're not, then you got to wait the 5 years from 2017.
And sir, may I ask you one last question?
Sure.
I know. My entry was in 2000, and the crime got committed in 2009.
Right. So that's more than 5 years. So you're going to be okay as long as that's your only arrest, only conviction.
Okay. All right, Mr. Baird, I'll be calling back for a
Thank you very much.
Sir. Thank you very much,
You're
sir.
welcome.
God bless you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Sir.